Hello everyone, welcome to Foppex. Today we're going to show you how to quickly reset your extension credentials in 3CX version 20. Once you're logged into your 3CS web client, go to the left-hand menu and click Admin. Next, click Users. From the list, you can select the extension or the user you want to reset. You can also select multiple users if you need to. Click Reset, then confirm by selecting OK. And that's it. The reset is complete. An email will be sent instantly to the user's email address. Open the email and choose Set Password. Follow the steps on the screen and your new password will be created successfully. If this was helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos on 3CX. Remember, when you purchase your 3CX license on shop.foppex.com, you get 3 hours of free remote support. Thank you for watching.